Hello everyone, how are you? In the previous video, we have already discussed about creating EPS. Now I'm going to show you how you can create OBS. And you know what is OBS? OBS is the organizational breakdown structure. That means we need to create one organization hierarchy. How to create that organization hierarchy? So see this is the option enterprise. Go to this enterprise option and go to this OBS. OBS. Here in the enterprise, you will find this OBS organizational breakdown structure. Click here. See this. This is the window for OBS, and here you can see organizational breakdown structure. Now, what I will do is I will select this enterprise, this EPS, big right tick, or you can go for the add button, or you can go for this add button also. Both are same. So select this and go to add button. Okay, see this. Already this EPS has been created. We already it is created. Now here I will make one OBS for this. So this is the AB construction which we have created. Now I will make this. All right, and here we will add the hierarchy, the top one, and this is the top one CEO, and here is managing director. This is the second hierarchy. This is the second hierarchy, managing director. All right. Now third is, let's say, assistant managing director. So this is the hierarchy of your company, your organization, and let's say both are parallel board members, or we can add board member at the top. These are the boards member, right? Similarly, now we'll add planner. He is the project planner, and under this project planner, they have project manager or project manager one. Similarly, they have project manager two. This is project manager two. This way. So this is the hierarchy, and if you want to see this, now you can go to this display button and go to this chart view. See this. So this way you can see this is the OBS we have created. This is the OBS, right? And if you want to take the printout of this, so you can go and take the print preview. See this. This is the print preview. You can take the printout, and also if you want to take the printout of this table view, so go to this table view, and here in table view go to this print preview and see this is the printout of this print preview. We can take the print preview printout also. And the second most important thing here we need to add is this portion. See this. Let's say here I want to add the responsibilities of this project manager. So I can add the roles and responsibilities of project manager here. So we'll go to this, and here I will go to this modify section. And in this modify here, it is C. You can see here, this is the modify option. We'll go here, and here I will add roles and responsibility of project manager 2. Now you can select it, and these are the options. You can go to this text button, and here you can change, you can rename it, you can change the color also this way. See this. So this way you can change the color also. Here you can list out, you can create the list of roles and responsibilities of such managers, like will be responsible for creating or uh, making follow-ups from subcontractor and supplier, this way. And here we can add responsible for making the project, completing the project within the budget or within the time schedules. So this way we can create the list. You can shift it like this, center and this and same way. And if you want to make it bullet, you can make it bullet also. You can make this numbers also. And if you want to indent it, so you can indent it. Let's say after this I want to indent it, so we can go for the indent also. So this way also we can create the roles and responsibilities. Now if you want to add the image of your project manager, so we can add image also from here, this button. Just go to here and go to this browse option, and in browse option you can see these are the options. You can choose it, you can choose any of your options. Like let's say I want to see this, and if you haven't seen the previous video or lectures, so you can go for the previous video lectures also. See, this way we can create. And now let's say I want to create some more things, like I want to create you know here I want to create the link. So I will go here with the link. See this. Let's say I want to add LinkedIn ID. So LinkedIn ID, LinkedIn profile. So here I will select this, click and go to this link profile. And here I will add the URL. Just need to add URL this way. All right, then okay. So this way we can create the LinkedIn ID also. Now, one more thing, if you want to add, so you can add this. This is the table. Just click here in the table and see, you will be see the table. And if you want to add the column, make right tick and go to the table, and here you can delete and add the rows and columns. Let's see, you want to add the column, select it, the column will be created. You can add here serial number, you can add here name, you can this name, or here we can add contact, and here we can add email ID. So this way we can list out and then okay. And if you want to take the printout of this roles and responsibilities, so go to this print option, and you will see all the roles and responsibilities will be mentioned here. So this way we need to add the roles and responsibilities of all the hierarchy of your company. So this is called organizational breakdown structure. If you find and the video is informative, then do like, share, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.